Hayabusa. Famed for its abundant power, agility, and majestic presence. Legendary for establishing new levels of ultimate sport performance. The all-new Hayabusa features smoother power delivery, nimbler handling, and a collection of advanced electronic control systems that make it more controllable and predictable. And it wraps all this in a breathtaking package that will instantly turn heads with its style and grace. Power is supplied by the latest iteration of the Hayabusa's legendary 1,340 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled 4-stroke DOHC 16-valve inline-4 engine. Developed using the latest CAE analytical tools to refine and improve a large number of the internal components, the new engine continues to deliver ultimate performance potential, while at the same time improving combustion efficiency, environmental responsibility, and durability. The new Hayabusa's engine achieves greater power and torque with smoother delivery throughout the low to mid-speed range. A new exhaust header pipe connecting cylinders 1 and 4. Optimized cam profiles. A 1 mm reduction in the throttle body inner diameter and a 12 mm extension to the overall intake pipe length combine to increase engine output at low to mid-range speed.